Hello, I'm Tanya Vardhan. I'm Investment Banking Intern at Insect Solutions. So today's video presentation topic is that how we can prepare for case study interviews. What I figured out is that first of all, you should be able to analyze the format of the case study. Familiarize yourself with the basic structure of investment banking case studies. Most of them are related to analyzing the financial statements or undergoing valuation, etc. Once that is done, you should be very clear with financial concepts such as you should know how to analyze financial statements, what are financial ratios, how to calculate them, etc. Once that is done, be very clear about how financial modeling is done. Like you should know how to do sensitivity analysis or how to find out financial metrics, how to calculate them, etc. This is all the knowledge that you need to have before you have the case study. Once you have the case study, you have to do certain things like first of all, analyze it properly, read the case study properly and extract as much information as you can from it. Most of the time the case studies are related to any company portfolio or industry report, etc. So you should be able to extract relevant information from it. After that, you should practice as much case studies as possible. Practice as much case studies as possible. So, and during that time, try to find out, extract relevant information from it. Try to find out what exactly the problems are, what are the risks associated with that particular case study, or how you can make a hypothesis related to it. Time management skills and presentation skills are also really important because during the interview you have to present whatever your findings are, whatever you have analyzed, and that too in a certain time limit. So you should practice these two skills as well. Once that is done, the last one is to have to participate in as many mock interviews as you can, because at the end whatever you have practiced, you will be able to imply it only in the mock interviews, and that will definitely help you a lot. So I guess that's how one can prepare for case study interviews. Thank you.